game. Ladies and gentlemen, fun food.
Feels, Mr. Producer.
My baby Chiquito from the downtown side. She dey charge me up when I get over.
Thank you very much. Please, a round of applause for that senator. It's not easy. I beg. Mona see clap for me. Now me be the first son of ODS Entertainment. I beg, Mona clap for me. Now don't try. Everybody, you come outside for Benin. That senator, they do show today. May they put the Chinese, I beg. Who they control? Put the Chinese cloth. Everybody, you don't come outside. Say, senator, they do show Chinese. Baba, Benin people not like fat. Nothing they happen here, no Chinese today. He deceived all of you. I see one guy, they tell you, babe, follow me. They will fight in the request today. Baba, nothing they happen here. That senator, very lovely man. As I made this year, now he give me 1 million. When I win the competition, everybody call me millionaire. Excuse me, I've never been a millionaire. The first day when they give me 1 million, Access Bank remove 15 naira. They never let me see where. They just remove 15 naira. My partner, your help issue. As you say, I win, you go call vigilante. He say, me they shoot gun every morning. All those ones, they shoot gun, they buy bullets, they shoot gun. They ask him why, he say for protection. Now when money finish, now my daddy see go meet them, say, me vigilante, they go, now God, they save person. Are you tired? Thank you very much. Oh yeah, let's start the show properly. Country don't have to. I dey come just now, I book boat. Now police van come pick me. Police, your ramo to come. They say me I up in. I say I not feel up in. Police provoke. If you know say you not be thief, why you not want up in? I should be say I not want up in. I think I dey reach. Now last week, police go arrest thief for one side for Sasoge. They park loss for her side. Before they come outside, they don't thief police loss. Now police go, they ask thief, did you bring any car? Thief say no. Police provoke. As a thief, why will you be going for an operation without a car? What if police they pursue you and you want to take car?
We bring it back again.
That is nothing. And now everybody don't they do two business. Last week I seen one policeman, they follow NEPA, your ladder. I can't ask him why they follow NEPA. He said, I live on 2 working they do now. If you not cash person, go cut person light. We dey quarrel.
Where them dey?
That be smart, yo. Baba. Now welcome to Benin City. If you are here for the first time in Benin, Baba, fear Benin, fear Benin girls. Now last week some boys go rape one Benin Ashawo. They rape Benin Ashawo finish. Ashawo say thank you. Before the commander Ashawo say their money na 6-2. They shock. Now they tell Ashawo say na rape you. Ashawo say he no know. He say they be customer.
Turn down for what?
Benin are your mate. Benin girls will go status post to they no know before right thanks for today. Oh, they know you know. Do you enter TikTok? Screenshot person post now for status. Thanks for today. And someone girl go post one boy. No say the boy don't die last week. He said thanks for today. Now police they look for him.
Take that thing, miss.
Daddy, thank you very much, sir. Fear Oppa. Now, by this time last year, they invite me for Oppa. I want to go show. I put my phone for my pocket, connect on to my earpod, that they listening music. Ladies and gentlemen, they thief my phone, I don't know, earpod see they play. Only way I observe, say, nah, music one not get before, now they play. I call the gay. You are a man. Baba. Wait, oh, I dey fear, oh. Sachet, this money when you spray me now from your mind, oh. For upper person spray me, the same person rob me, oh. Listen to me, what? Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, you are the real comedian. You make me laugh. Baba, I dey come now. Wait, oh, this one be the most important point. Mona know you dey scatter am. If they scatter am now, they'll pick am. Give me. Shey na 10,000 a year. 4-2. Baba, listen to me. I said I put my phone for my. DJ, raise your leg. Oh, I pick it. I all like you, MC. They try. You see? Ah. Wow. Na regular spray me? No. Wow. Hey. Hey. Wait, that senator figure they jealous. Oh. Finish that last one. Man, finish that. Mona, listen, yo. Mona, yo. I say, fear opa. I put my phone for my pocket, connected to my earpod, they listen to music. They take my phone, I don't know, earpod, see, they play. But what did I call the observe? New music one I not get before. I was like, now when I reach out, I check my pocket, I don't see my phone. Now I carry my friend phone, call my phone. The person say hello. I say hello. Are you aware this is my phone? He say, eh. All those sweet music when they hear us now, you think say that low down. Thank you very much. That's my time.